105 is the number that comes to my head when I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. And you know one of these days when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no need to rush. One day I won't be able to ask loud enough. I say, will you marry me? I swear that I mean it. I'll say, will you marry me?
Sa mga kaibigan, nandito na may lingkod, Boss MJ, and welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel, baka pwede po makain ng konting suporta sa pamagitan ng pag-subscribe na ating YouTube channel. And click mo na din yung bell button para updated kayo sa mga bago pa nating video. Without so much further ado, tara, simulan na natin.
Just say thank you to the one who's hiding there because we're gonna miss her.
My Ate Miles.
Yeah, can you call her?
Ate Miles, please come in. My love,
Please come here
my darling.
because she's part of the family. Thank you. No, we love you.
We love you so much. I'm just
Kanino? Kasi meron kaming ginawa na interviewhan. I tried to edit. Siya yung nagpaganda. It will be uploaded soon. And we owe her. Lahat ng... Yeah, we're gonna miss her.
super.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm Papa Bear.
Yeah. No, kinrapa ko niya eh. And
Uli ka lang nila.
so we're just gonna miss her.
Super. Super. Thank you for everything, my darling.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
Bago ko kaya. Thank you. No, kasi... No, kasi...
She's the best.
Yeah, kasi in-effort to give it. She knew it was important to me. So thank you. No, because... She always knows how to say thanks. And...
Sexy.
Honey,
What more?
right? Yung parang whatever love we've given her and whatever effort we've given, she has given us twice as much, right?
I love you.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Be good.
She's not leaving today, Mama.
Just anytime, right? She knows that. That she's part of the family.
Of course. She'll be my darling forever.
Yeah. You're 6,000 peso girl.
Mama is 16.
Kasi, cute story po, ito lang na ano. She had never received flowers. Nung Valentine's, di ba? And nakita ni Bim na overflowing yung flowers sa akin. So sabi niya na kailangan bilan niya ng flowers.
Yeah.
So, kuripot po ito.
It was
Don't
really
say
nice flowers.
Do not say the price. And then, the shock shot nung dumating yung bill, pero binila niya para mapahappy. And I'm proud of you, hon.
With my own money.
Yeah, okay. Oh, his own money daw yan, ah. Yeah, and ano, she's a very special girl,
Yeah.
right?
My everything, my love, my life, my everything.
Yeah.
You are my
content namin. Bye everybody.
Bye po. Kiss mommy, please.
Yeah.
I'm a part of the shoe gang.
Dear, I love you.
I love you so much. Group hug.
We learned a lot. I think from getting to talk to people, I have underestimated all of you, yung mga followers namin. Thank you. Kasi it means a lot that you want me to be happy. So maraming salamat. It means a lot
What, mama?
that they see that you're a good kid.
Thank you.
Because that means I'm doing a good job.
I try naman, mama.
Wait, don't even try. You're naturally a good kid.
Okay.
And I think that we are so blessed to be surrounded by so many people who really make us feel that we are loved.
Kuya's also super good.
Sometimes. No, I'm just kidding. Kapag get up, no, that's because we end this way. Tinan niyo po, naka-apayanas lang siya. Medaya na yung nanay. You can see how tiny the mother is.
Please, mommy. No, I love you.
No, we love all of you. Thank you. Hindi po namin ito gagawin kung hindi dahil alam namin na malaki utang na loob namin sa inyo. And I felt it even more tonight. And we just can I have it?
What's that, mom?
They sent it to you. They felt that,
Oh, what's this?
yeah,
Shoes?
they wanted you to have this. Can I have,
A knife.
yes.
Because we're awesome dudes. We're so cool,
Don't
man.
say that anymore.
What, awesome dude?
Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Don't na. Okay. So, yung thank you. It's an unboxing. Sometimes nahihiya ako. I have said this na yung mga meron na papadalan, but I just wanted to say thank you to them kasi they wanted to make you feel better. They
Feel better.
Yeah, they did not feel right you were being bullied.
Oh, yeah.
And they knew favorite mo ang Marvel. So, we do not do unboxings. I don't feel comfortable about it. I do not feel na dapat kaming padalhan because I feel na dapat binibili namin. But they were very nice. Kaya ginawa ito. So,
Sweet, nice.
see?
What's this one?
So,
Groot,
see?
nice.
I have no idea what Groot is. I'm
Groot
sorry.
is a character in Guardians of the Galaxy.
See, I didn't know. So,
Nice. This is awesome.
who is Groot?
Groot, he's a plant-like being with shape-shifting powers, but his shape-shifting powers are concerned with...
Is it the correct size? Because they
I
asked
believe
for your
so.
size. So,
Tama, the size I can.
yes, it's US
I
12.
don't fit.
Okay, whatever. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for
Thank you po
to
talaga.
everybody who made the effort to message and to send them their love. And yung mga nagtanong na ano bang mapapadala namin, thank you very, very much. You don't have to. It's more than enough na you remembered his birthday.
Salamat po sa ating tagapanood and sa ating supporters ng channel na ito. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. So kung nagusto itong video na ito, baka pwede nyo po ako bigyan ng isang like dyan. And comment kung ano pang tutorial gagawin ko next video. And share nyo din sa family and friends nyo. Subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa next pa nating video. And happy 11,000 subscriber na po tayo mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat po sa tuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. So ayun lang, kita-kita po tayo sa next pa nating video. Peace out and goodbye. See you in my next video.